you how to make your very own purple tablet from Subnautica. So Subnautica is a game made by Epic Games, same company that made Fortnite, and this is one of the items from it, the purple tablet. It is supposed to be an alien technology. So I'll show you the templates I made for this. So, it's pretty big, and it has a lot of different cutouts for all the different parts. So, let's pop this out. No, it's not. Okay, so anyway, you see here, mine's right up because that's the simple I use. So, this big outside is the size of the whole thing itself, and you want to make two of those out of double thick cardboard, which is kind of this. It has like two, like those squiggly up and down lines of the cardboard. It's gonna have like 2 layers of that. It's a little bit stronger, and since you have all these cutouts, you're gonna want to do that to make it a little more sturdy. So you're gonna cut out 2, and then I made mine about 1 inch thick. So I took the 2 and I stacked up some cardboard in the center. And then I wrapped the outside in this kind of like papery cardboard. So now what this is, and I use this in a lot of different builds, like the outside of the Rainbow Smash, I use this as well. So what it is if you have a piece of cardboard like this, you basically just peel it off, and it will leave the cardboard looking like that. And you can do it on both sides. And then you're left with this, and then you can wrap that around. And it's nice and flexible, and it works really well. Versus if you're trying to like do something like, not like that, but like this to wrap around, it's like, you can't get it to bend. It have lots of wrinkles and like creases in it. All the rest of these templates, like these are cutouts for the holes, but like this part right here is just for the painting. So the whole shape is just what you want to make, actually the cardboard. The only hard part about the actual part of the cardboard is like getting the paper stuff in all these little cracks. That's pretty difficult. But then you're going to use these other templates to help you paint. So you're going to take this out and kind of draw it on. You can tape it off and paint it on black. Then that little other line, you just kind of tape that off again and put some pink in, and then use the letter. And that's all what these templates are for. Then you can either search a picture or something, or just do whatever runes you want, and then do these runes in different spots. And they have these little black lines as well. I have those on. So the actual cardboard building part is not too hard. Most of it is the painting. As I said, the only hard part about the cardboard is getting all this paper stuff in there. That's pretty difficult. So I think that just about wraps up today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.